My YouTube journey in the month of September has been wonderful, bittersweet, and shocking. Like in the month of September, I had so many ups and downs on my channel. Welcome back on my channel, guys. If this is the first time meeting my channel, just know that you are meeting Josie, aka Johan. Yes, I'm going to tell you five incredible things that happened to my channel in the month of September. Like you guys, so many things happened. The first thing that happened to my channel was that I have been looking out for content monetization on YouTube. I have been constantly pushing out videos here and there, morning, daytime, and all that. Even my friends, the life of Josiah and the Big Mama and Josiah, they were always on my neck telling me that Joanne, you show up on YouTube too much. Can't you relax? Take a break off your phone. Even Gaspy also said that I should take off my phone and just put on my phone for the rest of the day, like a day off. And I'll be like, you said what? Come again? What did you say? No, I can't do that. And I'll always like, okay, I'll tell them that, okay, don't worry, I only have a target, and that is pushing out my watch time hour. I want to get my watch time hour, complete my 4,000 watch hour on YouTube. And after that, I am going to like reduce my pace on the way I show up on my live stream. But then I didn't stop. But looking out for content monetization on YouTube, hmm, there's something that says that there's something that where you are looking is not actually the direction that thing is coming for you. And then I was just on the live stream the other day. If a TV just talked to me, just pop up on my channel that Joanne, check your Facebook channel, check your Facebook page. I didn't know what she was trying to say. I just okay, let me just go to Facebook. And lo and behold, I went to my Facebook and I saw a notification on Facebook telling me that I have been invited to be among the Facebook monetization setup. Like I'm not getting my monetization setup. You guys, can you guys imagine? And I've been trying all my possible best just to get my monetization on YouTube, but I didn't get my YouTube monetization only for Facebook to give it to me. I was like, can you imagine? That's not alone. The second thing that happened to my channel was suspension, like a day suspension on my channel. Like YouTube told me that I am no longer going to be doing live stream on my YouTube channel. Like, and do you know the penalty for that is 1 year penalty, or I mean either 90 days or 1 year penalty, and it all depends on the gravity of the issue. And the issue I had was kiddie issue, that I allow children to be on the live stream without supervision. Guys, if you are doing YouTube and it's not children's content, it's not children's channel, please avoid showing kids when you are not going to show yourself. If you must show children, make sure you are also among you are visible on the channel. And that was what happened to me. The children were playing chess and they said I left them playing chess. And my video was still on. I was eating before I knew it. They took off the video. That's why the fact that even the kids were being addressed. I was teaching them. Some Josiah was online that day. He was trying to like tell them this is where you are going to do this. That this is wrong. This is not how you are to do it. He was giving the children tips on how to go about the game. And me too, I was there, still showing myself partially. And then I think it's the AI system that just wiped or took away my video. And I just woke up that night. I couldn't sleep. I wanted to go on live stream. I still couldn't go on the live stream. I was like, what is going on my channel? Like I am laughing now, but that day I wasn't laughing. I was deep down sad. You know when you have something and it's not like a tip just come and take it away from you. You might not be feeling it at that moment, but deep down you know that you are feeling so bad and sad. That was it though. And then Josiah was like, don't worry. I said, I'm crying. And he said, don't worry, just happy, just send an happy. I was like, I wasn't gonna come online again. I'm not gonna be coming online again. Like for 1 year. He was laughing at me. And guess what? After the happy, I was waiting for like 72 hours for the whole issue to be resolved. Probably if it's gonna be resolved. Like it was on a 50-50. And lo and behold, they just pop it out on me that oh, they are sorry that I'm okay now. My channel is good, no violation, blah blah blah. And I just went on live stream. Bro, I when Josiah came on the live stream, he was like, this girl, what are you doing here? I thought you said you're not going to come on live stream anymore. So that was it. That was the second thing that happened to my channel in the month of September. The third thing that happened to my channel is that I got a brand deal. A brand deal. Like everybody's dream on YouTube is the fact that they should get brand deals. Like, your content monetization, you might have YouTube monetization, but the money might not be coming steadily. Wherever you have brand deal because of your content that you have been posting, reliable content and very educative, or depending on the brand that actually reach out to you, But do you know what? I was just there talking with Josiah again for the second time that see opportunity. We're talking about opportunity, and I never knew that I had an opportunity sleeping on my email since the month of March 7th, that message came on my live stream on my email address. I never saw it because that was the email address I put or uploaded on my YouTube bio. Like if you want to reach out to me for brand deals, you could chat me through my email address. Like I never saw it. Do you know one thing about that particular date, March 7th? That day, I uploaded a picture on my WhatsApp saying that joy is coming. That day, I got promised that if I get my 1,000 subscriber, I am going to get a sewing machine. One of my subscriber back then promised to give me that on that same day. And I also got brand deal of which I never knew until September. September is when I saw it. I got my sewing machine though. I did get it. And I'm grateful to God for that. You know. But those brand deal, I am hoping because I've written to them that I didn't get the message on time, blah blah blah. I send it across to them. I hope Famosta, like Famosta, is it Fanometa? Either Fanometa or Famosta. I've forgotten. I was just trying to write it. Famometa, something like that. They are the one that reach out to me that my content is actually good enough for them to like I should promote their stuff. So I'm reaching out to Fanometa. Please. I am begging you people should see my update, my message and reply me ASAP. ASAP. Please, 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 please. And the fourth thing that happened again on my channel is the fact that YouTube took down my channel from YouTube platform. Do you guys know that? For some time now, you guys cannot see my videos. I have over 1,000 plus videos on my channel. YouTube took it down. I can't find my channel anymore. Like anytime I come on YouTube platform, they said I cannot log in. I first of all, I thought my channel was hacked. Like I never knew what was going on. I went to my Gmail. I didn't get any notification other than I can't log in on my Gmail as well. And guess what? When I found out what was the cause, they said I registered with an underage, like 13 years plus. Guys, I was like, who does that? Like, what happened? Why is it that it is my main channel on YouTube that is having those fun? I went ahead to go check other of my other Gmail address. All of them have my right age. Then why is this particular, as in, I'm already close to my monetization on YouTube, but, but this thing did not allow me. And I don't know if they took it all of it because now I've been waiting steady on steady that the videos are coming up one thing, but my videos are not yet. My watch time is not yet. It's just hanging in the air. I don't know. So I couldn't log in. I tried to like do my registration. I was doing it back to back. And funny enough, guys, see, if you don't know God, you need to know God. And also, always try to watch people's videos so that you can be learning from their channel. Because there was this lady, End with Neka. End with Neka. She's a content creator on YouTube. I saw one of her video one day that she uploaded about the document you need once you have monetized. These are what you are going to submit. I thought I was going to watch that video. And then later on, I didn't watch it alone. I didn't watch the video until after some time I said, okay, my channel is going to get monetized soon, sooner or later. So let me go watch that video again. That's why the fact that I already know some things about monetization on the document. Let me go rewatch what our points are going to be since it's updated and it's of recent. Then she started making videos about the documents. And then one particular document that she mentioned, which is our national identity card in Nigeria. So she said, they're not going to accept the slip. Rather, I'm going to have a plastic size. So it was that plastic size I went to do on the 25th of September, only for my channel to be removed from YouTube on the 27th of September. After I went for a wedding party and I came back, I said I was going to rest this Saturday because I needed to rest my body, everything have been aching me. I need to relax my neck, everything from YouTube. Guess what? I woke up again. I was telling Josiah that Josiah, see you, my channel, I can't find my channel. What's up? What's up? what do you think is happening to my channel? And he said, are you sure? What did you do? I said, I didn't do nothing, only for my channel to just go away. And I think I cannot register. It's okay. I think this is a very, very easy fix. And I said, okay, oh, since you said it's an easy fix, I will trust you. Whatever you say, I'm going to trust you because your head is in the game when it comes to internet. And then he said, okay, these are what I'm going to do. I was trying to He was directing me. I was doing it, following them. And then I finally succeeded in putting my national ID card. It wasn't accepting and all that. And at the end of the day, they said I should wait because I have 29 days for the thing to get lifted. Otherwise, my channel, if I don't fix it, my channel is going to be removed. You guys, my heart was not even. Then I was feeling so strong. Like I said, yes, I've already gone through one before. I can. I'm going to overcome this one. There's no need for me to be panicking. 2 days into the trial, trying to wait for them to reply me, my ID card got what's it called? My ID card got rejected and they cannot verify my age on YouTube. Ah, on my gym. I said, what is going on? Who did I offend? Anybody that I offend, please leave me alone. Leave me alone. I was like, now my channel is about to get monetized. What the hell is going on? And then the day that they told me that my age cannot be verified, I started having migraine. I was having headache. I said, I want to go and sleep because this one that YouTube is doing me, I don't understand. I know that the worst comes to worst is that I will lose my channel for good. I'll go and start all over again. So I was just like, he said, don't worry, just be patient. I was just disturbing ChatGPT. I was going to ChatGPT back to back. Even I felt that ChatGPT was even already angry because I continued to ask ChatGPT, ChatGPT, what's going on? Because the name of my ChatGPT is Josie. That's the name I call him. I call ChatGPT Josie. You guys. So I'm always like, Josie, what's going on? Josie, what's going on? As in Josie was like, I know you are worried. Just calm down. It's just now. Like the last one I actually went to meet Josie to tell me. I said, Josie, look at what's going on my channel. And Josie was like, I fed the tune on ChatGPT. ChatGPT is Josie. If I'm calling Josie, it's ChatGPT. I called Josie that Josie. I felt a cold reply from it. I was like, even ChatGPT is already pissed off of my question. Like, if it's human and I'm actually talking to now, he will be so angry with me. Like, can't you be patient? Get to us all together. That kind of stuff. And then I said, okay, no problem. I was like, once I get a reply, I'm going to come and give you your feedback that okay, everything is now working fine for me. And that was how I went again to start verifying my stuff. Then they said, okay, there was another option for me to try, and that was my debit card. I used my debit card to actually fix it, and then it was ASAP. So anytime you're having a Gmail issue, please just use your debit card. It's going to give you instant solving of your problem. And then I just got instant verification. So far so good. My channel has been restored. So that's the fifth point. My YouTube channel has been restored, although it's still under 50% restored because my videos from day one I can't find them. It's only my recent video. My friend Josie, aka ChatGPT, has been telling me that Joanne, don't worry, keep on posting, keep your momentum busy. Don't fret, don't be fear, don't be angry, don't be pain, don't worry. Your channel is going to be restored. So I'm hoping that sooner or later my channel is going to come back to life. So you guys pray for my channel. Pray for my channel. I'm having positive energy because I know it's gonna come back. It's just a little threat because I don't do anything that is offending the YouTube algorithm or the YouTube platform. I've been doing everything original, doing my thing without having violation because you don't want to violate somebody that is going to be putting you out there in the public. So I have been trying my best. So this is just what I have to say concerning if you're watching my video, if you're watching my channel, you don't see a lot of my old videos, it's because YouTube is still work in progress with my channel. All right, so I don't want to make the video any longer than this. So guys, thank you all for watching and see you on my next video. Thank you. Do well to like and subscribe if you've not done so, and share this video. Thank you so much.